Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. You know, wrapping your Cybertruck is becoming increasingly more popular. And while we've been sharing with you a lot of content of gloss color film and satin and matte finishes, and of course all the varieties of PPF, printed vinyl wrap is actually getting more and more popular, especially when it comes to a camouflage wrap. We've had a lot of inquiries, we've shared some content, we've done a few camos already, but here's a new way of enjoying a camouflage wrap on your Cybertruck. Check out Shadow Recon camouflage wrap for your Cybertruck, or actually for any Tesla. This colorway, as you could see, has a lot of different shades of grays and greens in it. It's a little bit more muted than some of the other camouflage wraps that we've done before, and it looks really good on the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck has that military-esque appearance. Camouflage wraps or these tones of colors always look very good on a Cybertruck, and this is a first for us and something that I'm really happy to share with you all. After we wrapped the truck, as you could see, we went ahead and put on my favorite, our 24-inch CTM wheels. Of course, the customer chose for them to be finished in satin black because this is a satin wrap, and that's a really good match. If these wheels would have been gloss black, it would work, but I don't think it would be as good as the satin wrap. The windows have been tinted, and this truck is ready to hit the streets in Los Angeles. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more amazing Cybertruck content coming your way soon.